Yeah, hello, I am Dr. Sumit Pahwa. I am the partner with eMinds Legal, which is a boutique corporate law firm in Gurgaon. I must say that we have been associated with Nandini Infosys from our inception, which is 14 years back, when we were a two-people team in a one-room small basement, and today we are a 60-70 people team in a large IT system. I must say that in the last 13-14 years of our journey, we've been very happy and satisfied with Nandini Infosystems. The Tally licenses that we have taken, the on-premise, then migrated to the cloud, the support services that we've always received, within the same day, within few hours. I think that's commendable. So I would say they're not just selling licenses or IT products. These services, the relationship, the approach, and the relationship which I share with the founder, Mr. Samir, is also commendable. He is always available, always there to be with us. Thank you.